Let's learn all about shapes. Square, square. A square can be a frame. A square can be a cracker. A square can be a sign. A square can be a board game. A square can be a baking dish. A square can be a gift. Let's make a circle map. A square can be a frame, a cracker, a sign, a board game, a baking dish, and a gift. Square, square, square has 4 corners and 4 equal sides. Show me a thumbs up if it's a square and a thumbs down if it is not. Phone, phone. Cracker, cracker. Ring, ring. Board game, board game. You did great. Don't forget to like and subscribe.